This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Ann Williamson. Want a year-around mountain view? This cabin has it. 1 acreage? 3.37 acres. One-level living at its finest, open floor plan, master suite with private bathroom and generous walk-in closet. Country kitchen has pantry, island with stacked stone accent and loads of cabinetry. Separate bar area for entertaining. Laundry on main west half bath. Great room has beautiful stacked stone gas fireplace for those cozy winter evenings, and you will love the wraparound covered deck for entertaining and enjoying those mountains. Terrace level with 2 guest quarters, full bath and family room. 1-car garage lower level and 2-car detached garage. Tons of storage space in this home. Fenced yard. The seller is meticulous with this house, extremely well maintained. For more